In this video, I'm going to show you how to render a sequence on the replay mod. Now, in order to do this, you will need to have at least 2 position keyframes and 2 time keyframes. So you are not able to export without these 2 things. So you will need at least 2 of them. So as you can tell, I just added 2 right here. So once you went ahead and created a sequence, then you want to select on render camera path. And that is going to allow you to turn your sequence into a video. So select on that. Then over here, you guys could select on the rendering method. Here's all the different options. Encoding process, here's all the different options. I always suggest using custom bitrate, or what you could always do is you could always go ahead and do potato quality if you want, if you don't want like it to take up too much storage on your device. Where it says bitrate, the higher that is, the more like memory it is going to take up. And over here is video frame rate. So at the moment it is set to 60, but if you want to make your video incredibly smooth, like for a YouTube video or something like that, or cinematic, you can go ahead and increase it. Then it is going to give you the output file. And then once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to select on render, just like so. And now it is going to go ahead and begin rendering your video. And you guys also have this option that says show preview, and it is going to give you a preview of your sequence, and it is going to look just like this. All you need to do is wait for it to finish rendering, then you're able to open it up on your folder and play your video. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.